Welcome dear students. This is third lecture on systematic random sampling technique. In this lecture also we are going to discuss two important theorems. The theorem 3 is, with usual notations, prove that the mean of a systematic sample is more precise, that is more efficient than the mean of the simple random sample if and only if S square WSY is greater than S square. Here S square WSY is the mean square within systematic sample and this S square is the mean square of simple random sample. In other words, variance of y bar sy is less than variance of y bar ran if and only if S square WSY is greater than S square. The proof is, in simple random sampling without replacement, the variance of sample mean is given by, this is the variance of y bar in simple random sampling, capital N minus small n by capital N into S square by n. Similarly, in systematic sampling, variance of y bar within systematic samples is given by capital N minus 1 by capital N into S square minus k into n minus 1 by capital N into S square WSY. Here, the mean of the systematic sample is to be more precise of more than that of a simple random sampling without replacement. Variance of y bar sy should be less than variance of y bar n. That is, variance of y bar sy is less than variance of y bar n. Just substitute the variance of y bar sy and variance of y bar n here. This is the formula for variance of sample mean in case of systematic sampling, and this is the variance of sample mean in case of simple random sampling. Just this term comes here, this term goes here, left hand side. So n minus 1 n, this term comes here, n minus n by n and S square by n, this term goes here. Multiplying both sides by capital N, the denominator n term vanishes. N minus 1 S square is equal to, the numerator terms remains here. Next, this n minus 1 S square common less than k into n minus 1 S square WSY. Here this n multiplies here, n minus 1 n into n minus 1 by n S square less than this term. Just this is simplification. This is simplification. So this n capital N into n minus n plus n gets cancelled. Capital N common, small n minus this n remains. So capital N into n minus 1 by small n into S square less than k into n minus 1 S square WSY remains. This implies we know that in systematic sampling, capital N is equal to small n into k. Small n into k, n minus 1 by n into S square less than k into n minus 1 S square WSY. Here this n gets cancelled, k into n minus 1 S square less than k into n minus 1 S square WSY. K into n minus 1, k into n minus 1 gets cancelled. S square in simple random sampling is less than S square systematic sampling. Therefore, variance of y bar sy is less than variance of y bar in simple random sampling. Thus, the systematic sample variance is less than simple random sampling variance if and only if S square WSY is greater than S square. This is an important theorem. Hence, mean of a systematic sample is more precise, more efficient than that of simple random sample. Next theorem is, it is a very important theorem unless you have an idea of sum of squares of n natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers, and variance of y bar in simple random sampling, variance of y bar in stratified random sampling, and variance of y bar in systematic sampling. It is a little bit a big theorem, just carefully observing, we can understand the theorem very well, and we can reproduce the theorem in the examination. Here, if the population consists of a linear trend, this is basis linear trend, then show that variance of y bar st is less than or equal to variance of y bar sy is less than or equal to variance of y bar rar. A population is said to have a linear trend if the values of the units are increasing steadily, and the given population has a linear trend. The values of the population units can be represented by the model yi is equal to I. Here I is equal to 1, 2 up to capital N. These are natural numbers. The total of n natural numbers I is equal to 1 to n, yi is equal to I is equal to 1 to n I is equal to, this is sum of n natural numbers capital N into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, the mean of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by capital N. That is, this is n into n plus 1 by 2 into n. This is equal to n gets cancelled, n plus 1 by 2 remains. This is sum of mean of population mean in case of n natural numbers. Similarly, this is I is equal to 1 to capital N yi square. The squares of sum of squares of n natural numbers I is equal to 1 to n I square is equal to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, n square is equal to n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. This is sum of squares of n natural numbers. The population variance s square is given by, this is 1 by n minus 1 population variance. This is mean square of population I is equal to 1 to n yi square minus n into y bar square. This formula is discussing by us throughout the chapter. This is 1 by n minus 1. We know that we just derived this sum of squares of n natural numbers. Just substitute this here, n into, this is population mean n plus 1 by 2 square. This is simplification. This n remains n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1 comes out. Here also n into n plus 1 comes out. The remaining inside is 2n. This n, 2n plus 1. Here n plus 1. We have square term here. 1n plus 1 comes out. So this n into inside n plus 1 comes out. 1n plus 1 remains here. Here also 2 is inside. From here to 2 comes out. Here 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 remains here. Simplification, this is inside 4n plus 2 minus this multiplies here, this multiplies here. So this 2 multiplies 2n to 2n. So 4n plus this multiplies 2 here. This is 3 into n minus 3 divided by 6. Here n into n plus 1. This 4n minus 3n remains only 1n. This is minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. This 2 into 6 is 12 here. N minus 1 remains. So this n minus 1 gets cancelled. N into n plus 1 by 12 is our mean square error of population in case of linear trend, that is natural numbers. The variance of sample mean in simple random sampling without replacement. This is variance of y bar is n capital N minus small n by capital N into small n into s square, n minus small n by s square by n. Just substitute the population mean square here, n into n plus 1, this term. Simplification, n into n plus 1. This n gets cancelled. This is our SRS WOR variance of y bar. The variance is to be compared with variance of the estimate in systematic sampling. That is, putting capital N is equal to small n k, we get in this formula, in case of n, we have to put n small n into k. Small n into k minus n small n into k plus 1 by 12n is equal to, this term remains. This n common, n into k minus 1 into nk plus 1 divided by 12n. This is equal to, this n gets cancelled, k minus 1 into nk plus 1 divided by 12. This is equation 1. This is nothing but variance of y bar in simple random sampling in case of linear trend. Next, look at the stratified random sampling variance of the estimate of population mean. We know that the variance of y bar in case of stratified random sampling 1 by n square I is equal to 1 to k ni minus small ni si square by ni. This is equal to 1 by n I is equal to 1 to k ni, just ni by ni. This is nothing, we can use this here, ni minus ni si square by n, this is remains same. This is equal to variance of y bar st is equal to 1 by ni square, this term I is equal to 1 to ni, this ni into ni square, this ni minus n by this n and small n here si square. In systematic sampling, the n units of the population are divided into n strata, such that each stratum, this is stratified, each stratum consists of k units, that is n is equal to nk. We have already discussed this in lecture 1. In systematic sampling, n units of the population is divided into n strata. There are n units in each systematic sample. So we assume that each sample drawn from systematic sample is a strata. There are n stratums, such that each stratum consists of k units. That is, capital N is equal to small n into k. Stratum size ni is equal to k, and the number of units to be selected from each stratum is ni is equal to 1. From each stratum, 1 unit is selected. I is equal to 1 2 dot dash dash n here, and small n is equal to, I is equal to 1 to k ni, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times this is n, that is I is equal to 1 to k ni is equal to n. Substitute this ni square by n square, that is equal to, we already know ni is equal to k, ni is k square by, this is n square is n square k square. So capital N is equal to nk n square k square. This is equal to k square gets cancelled, 1 by n square remains. Instead of ni square by n square, we can write 1 by n square in case of systematic sample. Take this formula, I is equal to 1 to k ni inside ni square by si square. This is, we already know, this is, we can, this is another form of this 1 by ni minus 1 by ni. This is equal to, I is equal to 1 to k. We know that instead of ni square by n square, we can write 1 by n square, si square remains. Instead of n, 1 substitute, 1 minus, this is ni is equal to k. So we can write variance of y bar st as this form. This is equal to just k minus 1 by k into n square, summation I is equal to 1 to k si square. We know that variance of the population of n units is s square is equal to n into n minus 1 by 12. This is variance of s square. Similarly, variance of subpopulation of ni is equal to k units is, just substitute instead of ni, we can substitute k. K into k minus 1 by 12. This is si. This is s. Thus, variance of y bar st is equal to, in this form, substitute instead of si, this k into k minus 1 by 12. Just substituting this. Here, this stratum is from I is equal to 1 to n. I is equal to 1 to n. There is no variable here. This is adding n times. So we can write n here. This is simplification. N square, 1n gets cancelled. K gets cancelled. K minus 1 into k plus 1. Here, this is k plus 1. We also have to write n plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 1 here. Here, this is k minus 1 into k plus 1 divided by k square, a square minus b square by 12n. Now, variance of the estimate of population mean in systematic sampling. Here, this is for systematic stratified random sampling. This is one mistake here. Instead of k minus 1, we have to put plus 1 here also. Here it is rectified. Now, variance of the estimate of population mean in systematic sampling. We know that in systematic sampling, this is variance of y bar st 1 by k into I is equal to 1 to k xi minus x bar whole square. So, whereas y I bar is the mean of the systematic sample. We know that j is equal to 1 to n, yij is equal to, this is systematic sample. Systematic samples are 1 by n into I random stat, I plus k, I plus 2k up to n minus 1 into k. Just here write I terms separately and k terms separately. I. This is also I plus this is I plus k, like that. Here we have n i's here. So we can write n into I. K common. Here 1 k, 2, 3, like that up to n minus 1 here. This is equal to 1 by here ni here, and this is nothing but sum of n natural numbers. We know that sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Here our n is n minus 1. So n minus 1 into n divided by 2 comes. So n minus 1 into n by 2. Sum of n natural numbers in case of n is equal to n minus 1 into k. This k. This is equal to I plus this n gets cancelled. I plus this n gets cancelled. N minus 1 by 2 into k. We have population mean. This is population mean y bar is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2n. That is n into n plus 1 by 2 into n. This is n gets cancelled, n plus 1 by 2. Instead of n in systematic sampling, we can write nk plus 1 by 2. This is therefore y bar I dot minus capital Y bar. We can write, substitute y bar I dot. This is y bar I dot and this is y bar. Just substitute. Instead of this, you just substitute here. This is equal to I plus, this is simplification, nk minus k. This is minus nk minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to I. Here nk gets cancelled. This minus common. This minus common. K plus 1 by 2. Instead of y bar I dot minus y bar, we can write this term. So variance of y bar sy is equal to 1 by k, I is equal to 1 to k, yi bar dot minus y bar whole square. We can write 1 by k, just substitute this in place of this square. This is again a minus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square simplification. I square plus here this k inside bracket 1 by k I is equal to 1 to k I square, here 1 by k here, and this is summation I is equal to 1 to k on this is k times k plus 1 whole square by this is square 4 minus 2 into summation I is equal to 1 to k I into k plus 1, this 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so this is 1 by k into, instead of I is equal to 1 to k I square, we can write sum of squares of n natural numbers plus this k gets cancelled, k plus 1 whole square by 4 minus here this 2 gets cancelled, no 2 here, and k plus 1 by k plus 1 by k, this is sum of n natural numbers. We know that sum of n natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, this k plus 1 by 2 remains here, k plus 1 by k, this k remains here, this k, this is equal to here k plus 1 simplification, this k gets cancelled, k plus 1 2k plus 1 by 6 here, this is first term, the second term, this is the third term, k plus 1 k gets cancelled, k plus 1 into k plus 1 whole square. Look here carefully, this is 1 by 2 k plus 1 square, this is 1 by 4 k plus 1 square. Since this is larger term, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, we can get 1 by 4. Since this negative term, for higher value, keep negative k plus 1 square by 4. This is equal to k plus 1 common by 2, k plus 1 by 2 common, inside 2k plus 1, here 3 remains, here 2 remains. So here k plus 1 by 2, here this is simplification, just this multiplies here, this multiplies here, 2 into 4k, 2 into 2 2k, 2 into 2k 4k plus 2 into 1 2, 3 into k 3k minus 3, here numerator, denominator, this is 6, this is equal to 4k minus 3k, k remains here, and minus 3 plus 2 1 remains here. So this is first term k plus 1 by 2, k minus 1 by 6, second term, this is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is our variance of y bar sy in k square minus 1 by 12. This is our equation 3. Combining the results 1, 2 and 3 and putting them in a ratio, this is variance of y bar st, variance of y bar sy, variance of rand. This is stratified, this is systematic, this is random. Multiplying throughout by 12 by k, 12 by k, 12 by k minus 1, we get the ratio of variances as this k minus 1 and 12 gets cancelled in each term. Here k minus 1 into k plus 1 in this one. So k plus 1 by n remains here. Here also k minus 1 into k plus 1 remains here, and here also n minus k remains. So and adding again by k plus 1 and dividing by k plus 1, this is 1 by n, this is k plus 1 1, and here this by k plus 1. We are dividing throughout 3 values. But this term, look here, n plus 1 by k plus 1, dividing numerator and denominator by k, this is equal to n, k gets cancelled, 1 by k by 1 plus 1 by k remains, is equal to n for large k. For large k, 1 by k tends to 0. So this term tends to 0, this term tends to 0, n by 1 is equal to n. Therefore, this is, for this we can write n. The variances are in the ratio 1 by n is to 1 is to n. This is 1 by n. This is 1 by n. N is the sample size. So sample size, this is very less and less than 1. This is also n. So this is very lower term. This is 1 is greater than n. So hence variance of y bar st is less than or equal to variance of y bar sy less than or equal to variance of y bar n. Here our sample size is always greater than 1. So this is greater than n is greater than 1. Though the quality the quality using holds good if n is equal to 1. In case each variance is equal to k plus 1. Okay. Up to this systematic random sampling completes. Thank you, students.